Hey guys, I'm back. It's Lexi, and today I'm unboxing the Boxycharm June 2019 Boxyluxe. This is my first time with this, and I have definitely not opened it yet. And this little girl decided to join me, so if you see her playing in the background, ignore her. She's wild. So we're gonna open this now, if I can. I'm still really bad with scissors. There we go. And this is ginormous. So the size of the box is really big in comparison to the previous ones. So I'm going to set that off to the side. So here's the card, and on the back it has everything that's in it. And I don't want to look at that because I want it to be a surprise. But that's the card. Okay, so the very first thing I see is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Instant lasting volume and texture volume. Yeah. So that's it. It's a very big bottle. So this is a styling and finishing spray. So the next thing is very messy. It spilled in the box. It smells really good though. It's by M.GreenGrass Hand and Body Butter. So it's Summer and Nice is the fragrance and inspired by France. Well, since it's already on my hands, let's just see how it feels. It's actually really smooth. I only use like a little dot and my hands are like really smooth right now. I like this. Keeping it. That's all over my hands though. So next is this bag, and it kind of reminds me of an Ipsy bag, but a lot bigger, and I have no clue what it says, like PYT. So in the bag, oh. I'll be honest with you guys, this I didn't know was coming, and it is really cute. So I guess the reason that PYT was on this bag is it is the brand of this. It's a mini hair dryer. I am really excited about this. This was the color I was wanting. As you can see, I'm really into blue lately, beach themed. And this is really cute. I'm going to use this every time I wash my hair. So it comes with 2 attachments, a directional and a diffuser to prevent frizziness if you have curly hair. And it's really cute, guys. And they both fit on. And then I ran and got this, which I got around Christmas. It's from the same company, PYT, and it's a little straightener. And I already used this and it works really well. So I'm really happy with these. And I love the little bag it came in too. Remove this. And now there's a lot more. So first is Clean Biotic. I struggle with everything. pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. So this is it. It's by Dr. Brandt. And it's for all skin types. So it melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. So this is really big. It's full size. And yeah. Next is by Farmacy, Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. So this is it. Let's see, take it out. I opened a box. I did it. I didn't struggle. So this is the item. It's really big. So I hope it doesn't have a cap. Okay. So this is it. It's really soft. And it smells like honey. That literally smells like honey. That smells really good, guys, and I feel really hydrated. I'm gonna use that a lot. So next is No Poreblem Prime Essence by Touch and Soul. So this is it. Again, very big, full size. So I touch it so. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Infused with calendula? I don't know. Officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. So, oh, it unscrews. Okay. Oh boy, that fell right out. That's full. So, I don't want it to spill out anymore. I'm gonna put the cap back on. That spilled a lot. Oh well. So, why am I sniffing it that way? It doesn't really have a strong scent. I smell like something, and it's not like chemicals, but it might be like a flower smell or something, just really faint. But I do like this a lot. Next is by Dominique Cosmetics. It's peach tea. I'm getting the feeling that this is a lip gloss, maybe? Yep. So this is it. I'm gonna undo it and I'm gonna swipe it. That was satisfying. So this is the color. So this is it. I don't know if it comes up on camera, but it's like a really light peach color. I'll put that on at the end of the video so I can like wipe off the lipstick I have currently so that you can actually see what it looks like. So we'll come back to this. Next is by Trestique. I struggled with that and then finally got it. That's a cute. So this is it. How do I get this thing off? Okay, well. So it's Good Vibes Mascara. This is really fancy. I could already tell, and I have not opened it yet. There we go. Dang. It comes with a literal curler. You pull this little flap down, and it curls it for you. And then, so I figured out how to open this. It was stuck for a little while, and I didn't want to break it. But I opened it. So here it is. It's black, as expected, but it's like really fancy, as you can tell. And it has a lot in it, like it's pretty heavy too. So I am really excited about this. I've actually never used eyelash curlers before, but I'm willing to try it. And this one actually looks like it'll be really gentle on your eyelash. And then last but not least is a palette, Tarteist Pro Glow 3 by Tarte. So it's a cheek palette. Dang, this is really nice, guys. It has like gold lettering. So far I like it. And it opens like a book. I'll show you that. So both sides open, like that. And the plastic just fell out. So it comes with a mirror on both sides. And oh my gosh, these colors are really pretty. I'm gonna use these a lot. So here they are. This thing does not like me so far, but I like it. So here they are. Really, really pretty colors. Really like these. So this palette comes with two different contours, highlighters, and this rosy blush. Hey, don't bite my hair, silly. This cat. So the mirrors are very defined too. It'll be really good for fine tuning it. And yeah, I really like this palette. It's really, really pretty. And I love that it just opens and closes like a book. That's really impressive. So as promised, I'm going to try this lipstick on, and it's the color of Peach Tea. So I wiped off as much as I could on my lipstick, and I'm going to try this on. So here it is. It is really glossy, but really pretty. I really like that color. I don't know. Seriously! I don't know if it shows up too much on camera, but I really do like that color. And I'm going to use this probably as my go-to. So starting with the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Sorry for being a dork, but I want to arrange them on this cute little plate here that I got for like $3. Then is this little palette. I'm going to set that to the front. The Clean Biotic pH Balancing Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. I swear if she knocks this over again. The mascara with the eye curler. This cute thing that was like a cute little add-on. Got it for free. Here was the Anderson Lilley M.GreenGrass Body Butter. I cleaned it up too. And my hands are really smooth still. And then No Problem Prime Essence. I don't know if it's all gonna fit, guys. Then the little, oh, lemonade. Okay, DC lip gloss, I guess, which is peach tea. The Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Night Serum. And my favorite, the blow dryer. So this is everything I got. I'm really happy with this month's box, and I'm hoping I could get it again. Sorry my dogs are barking. They're scared of the storm. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!